to my mind, is the connecting theme in the 20th century between art and dream and psychedelics. So film is the extremely powerful art form that emerges into its own in the 20th century. They are merely an instrument for something to come through. Domains of difference. The precondition for creativity is, I think, disequilibrium. What mathematicians now call chaos.
What makes it great is the person, with all of its imperfections, with all of its quirkiness. That's what makes it great. How you see the world, that's different from how everyone else sees the world. That's why you're an artist. That's your purpose in sharing your work with the world. And the reason I chose to be an artist is to demonstrate this is how I see it. If I'm undermining my taste for some commercial idea, or it defeats the whole purpose of doing this. That's not what this. I'm doing me, and I'm showing you who I am, and you can like it or not. But either way, this is still how I see it.
And he said, oh, yes. He said, these are only the beings that have chosen to create out of working with darkness.
Are talking about magic. We're talking about the universe conspiring on our behalf if we let it.